Introducing here is a GSM operated PLC, a one-of-a-kind operating system that aims to ease the sale of products such as milk, water, cooking oil through the use of vending machines, or commonly known as ATMs. It can be used or installed in milk ATMs, salad or cooking oil ATMs, water ATMs, powder ATMs, all of which are available at Tassmatt Limited or our web shop at www.tassmatt.com at very affordable prices. GSM stands for Global Systems for Mobile Communications, which is a standard for cellular communication. A GSM gadget, or PLC in this case, utilizes this standard to communicate with mobile networks. This PLC comes with various features such as M-Pesa and messaging, mobile payment processing, that is M-Pesa, inventory tracking, able to track your stock, remote monitoring, able to track sales when the machine is not operated by the owner. Let us now learn step by step about how this PLC is operated. To begin with, there are various restrictions to follow for ease of operation. These restrictions are: acquire a micro SIM card, preferably that of Safaricom network, register it with M-Pesa, make it pinless such that it is not unlocked using any form of PIN, then correctly insert it in the PLC. Switch on the PLC using the on and off power switch, and then the screen will show various features such as time, date, the price, in what mode you're operating in, that is whether it's in Kenya shillings or in liters, as well as network. It is important to note that when the SIM card within the PLC has not detected the network yet, it displays number 0, but as soon as it detects network, the 0 changes to 1, a clear indication that the SIM card is now connected to a network, and thus the date, the time, or the month, as well as the year, will automatically set themselves to the current date, time, and the year. This is now what we call the home screen or the standby display screen. The machine comes with 3 major operations, that is settings, cleaning, and setting of stock. Let us learn one by one about the various operations. And it is important to note that each of the keys you see on this keyboard, each carries its own unique function. So, letter A operates as an OK button, B operates as a delete or backspace button, C operates as a back or cancel button, D operates as a one for scrolling. You use it to scroll to the various settings or options you have given. To go to main menu, that is settings, you press D key until it displays main menu, then you press A, the OK key. You key in the password, which by default is set at 1234, then OK. Kindly know that this password is changeable and can be changed to the preferred password you want. The screen will show set price as the first setting. You then press D key to scroll so as to view all the other settings, which are set the price, calibrate, view sales, phone number 1, phone number 2, set password, set cleaning password, set stock password, set contrast, set mode, and set type. Let's go to the first setting. To set price, you press OK, then enter your preferred unit price, and then press OK until it reflects new price. You press the C key as the back key, then D to proceed to the next setting, which in this case is calibration. You then press A, then key in the flow rate, which we give a reference value of 3.80 liters per minute to help determine the correct value during the calibration process. When the process is complete, you proceed to setting number 3 of viewing and clearing of sales, which when you want to clear, you only press key number 5. You proceed to the next setting of setting the first and second phone numbers and save the setting by pressing OK. You then set the preferred password and press OK. Then you also set the cleaning password and press OK, as well as set the stock password and press OK to complete all those 3 settings. The next setting is the contrast, which you adjust using star or hash keys to your preferred value. You then set the mode, which always stands at 1, that is only if the machine is using a timer, and press 0 or the value of the mode remains at 0 if the machine is using a flow sensor. We then proceed to the other operation, which is the cleaning function. You press OK at the clean operation, key in the password, then clean the system to your satisfaction by press to commence and C to cancel or stop the process. The process is the same when setting the stock. Therefore, you are required to press OK. Then you key in the stock password. Then you key in your stock value and press OK to change or confirm that value. A point to note is that the unique ID, while scrolling through the various operations, the unique ID is a serial number specially unique to that machine. While at the home screen, one only presses the amount or liters they wish to dispense and then OK, then the product begins to dispense. When the dispensation process is complete, the screen goes back to the display or the home screen. When using the M-Pesa option, the customer is only required to send the amount to the SIM card in the PLC, and the amount reflects immediately on the screen as the amount indicated as M-Pesa amount. So one is only required to press the OK key to commence the dispensing or vending until it runs and complete.